till a dream that I can call my own. I found a thrill to press my cheek till a thrill that I never known. Yeah, 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 and you smile, and then the spell was cast, and here we are now in heaven. For you are mine. And yeah. Vanilla, I want you to hold the boy. I want you to hold the boy tonight, Vanilla. And I want you to show him what you're working with. Yes, I want you to show him how strong you are. Yes, I want you to grab him. Yes, grab him, Vanilla. Yes, not because you look kind of delicate. I want you to grab him, Vanilla. Grab him till you choke him. Choke him, Vanilla. And when you choke him, Vanilla, and he choke, you just thump him in the back and he will be all right. He will be all right. Girl, don't you let me down tonight. I said, don't you let me down tonight. If you let me down tonight, when you go back to Jamaica, I will be the lizard to jump on you. I will jump on you. I will jump on you, Vanilla. I will be the lizard and the piece of zinc that will jump on you. I will wait for you, Vanilla. I will make you use the outside bathroom, Vanilla. And when you soap up your rag, Vanilla, I'm going to make your soap drop, Vanilla. And then, Vanilla, I'm going to jump on your back. If you let me down tonight, Vanilla, yeah, you must choke the boy. I want you to hold him and choke him. Choke him. Give him a good choke. Or else you cannot go back to any Caribbean island, Vanilla. I will let me and my lizard family attack you. Yes, we shall travel with you inside your suitcase, Vanilla. Don't you let me down, Vanilla. Show him. Show him. Show him what you're working with. Yes. You don't want him to come and sing about you, Vanilla. Some gyal a wine up in a dance and soft in a bed. While up in a dance and soft in a bed. You don't want him to do that to you, Vanilla. Take my word for it, Vanilla. Broke the boy back. Broke him back. Broke him legs. Broke wherever you need to broke. Just broke something, Vanilla. Vanilla, don't come back home and don't broke something. I am begging you, Vanilla. Vanilla, we are friends. We are best friends, Vanilla. Let him come back home with a broken bone. Or I'm going to let my lizard family attack you whenever you go back to Jamaica. Yeah, they going to attack you. They gonna attack you upon the fence. They gonna attack you in the outdoor bathroom. They gonna attack you round a river. Anywhere you go, we gonna attack you. We gonna attack you from the mango tree, cause you love mango. We gonna be up in there, and when you come under the mango tree, we gonna jump on you. So, make me proud tonight, Vanilla. Make me proud. Yeah, don't you go with that little whitey thing. I want you to act strong. Yeah, and say, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Yeah, say, come here, boy. I have something for you. I want you. Show the woman power. I am rooting for you, Vanilla. I am rooting for you. Don't you let me down. Broke it down. Broke it down. Broke it off. Yeah. Screw it off. And screw it back on. Whatever you need to do, but make sure something is broken. Make sure something is broken. You understand me, Vanilla? Vanilla, I am begging you. Vanilla. Make your sister proud. Not because me look like this tonight, but make me proud. Me rooting for you. That's why me been feeding you all them good food, Vanilla. For a night like tonight. Yes. And you must not let me down. Okay, Vanilla? Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to you and Clifford. May all your dreams come true. Yes. May he give you twins tonight, or even triplets. And may one of your baby turn out to look just like me. You don't think I'm cute? Look at my white pretty teeth. You don't want to bring a baby looking like me from the hospital? Is that what you're saying? Look at me. I am very cute. Listen to me, Vanilla. Juliet, if you want to call her, you need to call her. Somebody need to call her if she's not listening to me tonight. I need her to get this message. Yes. I need you to break something, Vanilla. Break something, Vanilla. Break something. A leg. Something. Break something. Choke him, Vanilla. That is the easiest thing. Just choke him. Choke him. Give him a nice choke. Yeah. Give him a nice choke till he cough, Vanilla. Yeah. Give him a nice choke. Choke him till he a little bit dizzy. Not a lot. Not a lot now, Vanilla. Don't you get carried away and kill the man. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Don't kill him. Because I know you will go the extra mile. Yeah? Just till he dizzy. And go half a little bit. Then you slap. And let him come back to. Okay? Happy anniversary. Again. Yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yes. Choke him. Choke him. Choke him. I am begging you to choke him out. Choke him out. He's my brother-in-law, but choke him out. Choke him out. Choke him. Choke him. Jump on him. Jump on him. Jump on him. Do one big jump. Yeah. Don't you go breaking your legs again, though. Take your time. I didn't say break your legs. I said break his leg. I don't want you coming back to tell no lies on me. Yeah. Break something on him, not on you. Because I ain't going back to with you to no emergency room. Follow instruction, Vanilla. Follow instruction. Yeah. And you cannot go wrong. Yeah. Break something on him. Girl power. You understand? Yeah. Choke him. Choke him. Yeah. Give him a little choke. A little choke. Tie him up. Yeah. Tie him up, Vanilla. And cuff him. And cuff him, Vanilla. Yeah. Show him what you're working with. Show him what you're working with. I am depending on you to see him turn up with a broken hand or a broken foot. Okay? And then you will do me proud. Do me proud, Vanilla. Do me proud. Okay. All right. I love you both. Happy anniversary. Baby. Happy anniversary, babies. Yes, I just come to sing, to serenade you. Broke him foot pan this song, Vanilla. Broke him foot pan this. Choke him out on this. Choke him out. Choke him out. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again, Vanilla. Choke him out on it. Don't let me sing and you don't choke him out. Choke him out. Yeah. Don't let me waste my voice and you don't choke him out. Choke him out. Choke him out on this. Call him over now, Vanilla. Call him over now, Vanilla. Say, come. Shoot up your lips and say, come here. Shoot up your lip. Come here. Come here, Cliffy. Come here, Cliffy. Hello. My love has come along. My lonely days are over. And life is like a song. Yeah. At last. Right here, Vanilla, right here. The skies above are blue. My heart was wrapped up in clover. The night I choked you, I found a dream that I could speak to, a dream that I can call my own. I found a dream to press my cheeks to, a thrill that I never know. Yeah, 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 and you smile, and then the choke was cast, and here we are now in the hospital. For you are mine at last. Ooh. At last, at last, at last, at last. I love you guys. Good night.